Hello everyone, this is my collection of glass beads bracelet that I've made. So now I want to show you how to make this one in a very simple step. Okay, so now I'll be telling you my materials. So you have here my materials: a nylon thread, a very long nylon thread, a scissor for cutting this one, and an assorted beads here. So now let's start doing our business with. So you can also use here rubberized thread, but I want this one because this is very strong. This won't easily cut. You have to be creative. Create your own design that you want. I will just mix up all the beads here to create my own design. So sometimes the hole of the beads is so small that I can't even see it, like this. Okay. Okay, now I will make a design for this one. I'll be putting this one for my design here, like this. Okay. This is very enjoyable one. The hole is so tiny. And then I have to design with this butterfly, like this one. Okay, so continue until it fits for my wrist. But you have to be uniform for the beads you're using, otherwise it will become ugly later on when you mix ununiform beads. So I will be okay. I will testing if there's enough. This is already almost enough for my wrist, so I will add a little bit more of this one. Okay, one more beads. Okay, and then done. So I put the sign for the last one. This is already enough for my wrist now. So this is already done. Now so I have to lock it some more. I got it. So this, here it is. Now I will be trying it for my wrist. Just enough. So, not too loose and not too tight. Just enough for my wrist. Like this. So thank you guys for watching my video and my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for subscribing me and watching my video. So God bless guys. Thank you so much and bye.